Omni price prediction. Omni is having a blast. I won't waste a second of your time. We'll start with the price prediction right away. Just want you to know this. What do you think? Are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? Technically speaking, we are in a downtrend. Why? Because were going down, and while we were going down, what happened right here? We have a flag pattern. Flag patterns are normally continuations to the downside, and they result basically in doing the following. Normally, they do this, pump to here, and then break out to the downside. So normally this is what flag patterns will do. But is this the case? Because we've had just look at the accumulation in the last 90 days. We have massive buying, okay, selling, massive buying, massive buying, massive buying, massive buying. So most of these people right here are buying. So even though from a technical standpoint we look to be bearish, at any point we can start taking really good trades to the upside. And here are the scenarios for scalps that I'll look at. First of all, this video again is no financial advice. Money flow is actually curving to the green. It's actually in the green again, which is just beautiful. Look at this. And when was the last time we had a bad red money flow that curved into green, and when was the last time we had bad green money flow curving into red? I'm opening up Heikin Ashi so it averages out, but look at this. We had a signal like this here. We had a 3% pump, a 5% dump, we had a 10%, not 10 but 5% dump, and now we're getting the signal again. So I do believe that from here we will have a pump to this week, and I'm looking to take longs to the upside. We're looking to pump right here, and I'm a little late for the move. We already have a lot of longs open, as you can see in the last an hour and a half. But I've been recording for 6 hours now. Since 3 a.m. I've been trading and recording, so I couldn't get to Omni on time. But I promise I'll make daily reports on it if this video gets 10 likes. That's all it will take. If you want to follow my trades, I'll have links in the description down below. We're up 274 grand on VOOX. We're also up a lot on futures. So if you want to follow the trades, I'll have links in the description down below for my signals chat and for my course, which I've priced pretty cheap. And also, right now you can claim an 8.2 grand bonus on BingX. So definitely do check them out. See you next video.